Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I took a Halloween store-bought chain and custom painted it. To start making this chain, I disconnected it from all of its links and even the hand hooks. I used sandpaper and a Dremel to sand down the visible seam lines as best I could. Then I used silver spray paint and coated the whole chain to make it one solid even color. Using black, brown, orange, and gold acrylic paints, I dirtied the chain to my liking by painting on several strokes from my paintbrush and using a paper towel to wipe away most of the paint. By doing this, it would leave behind small details. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.